Same prompt, same face description, two different generations. Look closely. Jawline's different, eyebrows are different, even the nose isn't quite the same. This is what AI consistency actually looks like without the right feature turned on. And today, I'm testing the one that's supposed to fix it. Then in your prompt, start with the words character reference, followed by a quick description, then whatever scene you want. That phrase is what tells Grok to keep the face locked. And here's the result. The character now looks much more consistent and realistic. He's standing in a clean, cinematic environment with a strong professional look, and most importantly, the facial identity feels much more stable. The hair, eyes, jawline, and overall expression remain recognizable, which is exactly what we want when building a repeatable AI character. This is the difference between generating a similar person and keeping the same character. Let's generate our first scene. Character reference, standing in a modern office, daylight navy blazer. And here's the result. And this is where we start to see real consistency. The character still looks like the same person, but now he's placed in a completely different setting. He's in a modern office, wearing a navy blazer, and the facial identity remains much more stable. The eyes, hairstyle, jawline, and overall expression stay recognizable, which is exactly the goal. This is what character consistency should look like. But using the words character reference is only one part of the process. You should also give Grok a clear prototype of the exact character you want to preserve. Choose your strongest result, download it, and use that image as your permanent master character. Every time you create a new scene, upload this original prototype again and begin your prompt with the words character reference. This gives Grok both a visual identity to follow and a clear instruction not to replace the character. At this point, I'm choosing the modern office version as my main reference character. This is now the prototype I want Grok to follow. So instead of generating a new person again, I'm going to upload this image as the character reference and use it to create one final scene. That way, Grok has a clear visual anchor to follow, which makes the character much more consistent. Now let's test it one more time in a completely different environment and see if the identity still holds up. And here's the final result. Even though the environment is completely different, the character still feels much more consistent. The facial structure, the eyes, the hairstyle, and the overall look remain recognizable, which is exactly what we want. This no longer feels like Grok is creating a random similar person. It feels like it's following the same character across different scenes. And that's really the key idea here. If you want better character consistency, don't just rely on a text prompt alone. Use the words character reference and upload a clear prototype image that Grok can follow every time. That gives the AI a much stronger foundation and makes your results far more stable. So instead of getting a different face in every generation, you start building one repeatable character you can reuse again and again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe to Think AI. I'll see you in the next simple AI workflow.